Who told you that you're a failure? You can't get what you want? Who told you that you're weak? That you're not powerful? That you're not enough? You are not worthy enough. You don't deserve what you want. Who told you that? Whoever it is, if you have someone in mind, or if it's you, by the end of this video, you're gonna say goodbye to that person and everything, all that garbage that came with that person.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Of course you can't believe in your own power. How could you? You don't take responsibility for everything that you created until this day. Everything. I mean, all the good and the bad. All the positive ones and the negatives. You don't take responsibility. And I get it. You might think, how could I possibly create all that negativity in my life? I didn't have any intention, nor it was under my control. It was unfair. I didn't deserve it. I did my best, but they didn't treat me well, or the universe didn't give me what I want, what I deserve. It wasn't under my control. It wasn't my responsibility. But that's the problem. If you don't take responsibility for everything, even the negative ones, even the ones that seem out of your control, out of your intention, if you don't take responsibility of that, you will not be able to confidently believe in your own power. You are a creator, and to embrace that part of you, to embrace that power of creation within you, you need to take full responsibility. This is both a bad news and the good news. Bad news is that you created all that shit. The good news is you can create a better future. You can create everything you want, literally everything. But please be careful here, because when I say everything, I always mean the very unique desires that we have, that comes from within. You know, your inner power, inner strength, inner being, your true self and your full potential. I don't mean to comply with society's standards. I don't mean to have these desires that you see on social media, that you see from other people's lives, you see on TV. I don't mean that. What I mean is the authentic, unique desires that your true being has. And you can create all of them. I really mean it. Like, you can literally create all of them anytime. Yeah. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be in the future. You don't have to wait for it. You don't need to fix yourself for it. You already have it. It's inside. So now in this video, we're gonna look inside and take that power. You know, first we need to find it, because you have this diamond, you know, waiting just here in the center of your core, in the center of your being. It's waiting here, but it's a little dirty. We need to take care of it. We need to remove the dust, the limiting beliefs, and it will shine, and everyone will see it. Everyone. And it's going to be your own unique light. So to embrace that power you have, that creation power, that true, authentic, full potential you hold inside, we need to look inwards. We are overly stimulated by social media, TV, friends, family, society, everyone. All that noise, we need to turn the volume down a bit. Just simply don't believe in them. Don't listen to them. Don't even have that conversation. No, just ignore that. Deny that. When someone is talking about shit, when someone is telling you that you're not enough, that you're not worthy enough, that you're not successful enough, you can turn your ears off and just go inwards. Repeat that this is not your truth, this is not your reality, this is not who you are, and you don't conform to that. So this is the first step. We need to deny the standards of the society or everyone else, anybody, whoever, I don't care, everyone except you. Deny all these standards, limiting beliefs, all those beliefs and thoughts that are dictated to you over and over again. Deny all of them. You don't have to conform to their standards. You must define success, worthy, love, enough. Like all these terms, you need to define them by yourself according to your own criteria, not anyone else's. So first step is denial. Second step is going inward and finding who you are. Who am I? What are my strengths? What can I do best? What I love to do? What am I passionate about? What I can be of service about? What fills my soul? What fills my heart? Think about these things and then find out your unique, authentic self. Try really tapping into that full potential, please. And third step is to clean that diamond a little bit, like clean off the dust. You have that diamond. It's a magical source. It's something that only you have, and no one else can shine like you. It's so unique. So when you tap into that, you will find some dust, some limiting beliefs on top of it. This is why we hardly reflect that light, because it's blocked. Yeah, our true, our authentic self, our full potential is blocked by the dust, by the limiting beliefs. These limiting beliefs are the ones that you learn from other people. While growing up, we learned everything from our experiences, from our friends and family and teachers and colleagues. And then it became like this whole program in our subconscious mind that is repeated and approved again and again. Because what you put inside, your subconscious will try to repeat that, confirm that, and affirm that. So it will lead you to the same result. So basically it's self-sabotage. You're not even aware that what you feel, think, or do right now will result in the same negative result in a few steps after. But we're not able to see ahead, so we think we are acting authentically. But this is subconscious, bitch. It's so powerful, and it wants to affirm that negative belief. Yeah. So when you go inwards, you gotta shake it off and just let that diamond shine. Whatever you are being told, you're unsuccessful, you're not worthy, you're not enough, blah blah blah. Come up with counter arguments. Come up with positive beliefs. Come up with the empowering beliefs that you want to choose. Because you can choose it. You can choose a different reality. You can choose a different life. You can choose a different future. You don't have to repeat what you've been repeating all these years. Read Joe Dispenza if you haven't done so. 95% of our daily life is run by the subconscious mind. And we have an average of 60,000 thoughts in a day. So 95% of this 60,000 is repeating. And if you have these negative beliefs, thoughts, and feelings that are running in the back of your mind, 95% of the 60,000 is probably going to affirm these limiting beliefs. If you want to have a different future, you have to think, act, feel differently. This is a shift in identity. This is a shift in being. This is a personal shift. This is your personality shift. And then your personal reality will shift, of course. So being aware of your thoughts, not all 60,000, but yeah, as much as you can, living mindfully and being aware of these thoughts, feelings, and actions will help you choose the ones that you want. The first reaction is always sadness, anger, complaints, but you don't have to dwell on that. You can choose another reaction. As soon as you're being aware of it, mindful of it, you can choose a different reaction, different thought, different feeling. So you can choose a different personality. You can choose a different reality. So if you're trying to remove your limiting beliefs, remove the blockages to your full potential, you have to repeatedly, insistingly choose different reactions, choose a different reality, choose a different you. And the fourth step is the aligned action. It's not only enough to have these positive thoughts. It's powerful, yes, but by itself, without an action, You can't manifest your dream life. You can't be successful, because what are you going to be successful at? You need to take some action, right? You will take inspired action, which will align with your true being, with your true potential, with your true authentic desires. You will be aware, choose, and repeat again and again. Finally, you are aligned with your dream future, with your dream reality, with the best version of you, with the best you, and your authentic self, your full potential. And once you're aligned energetically, physically, mentally, this alignment will manifest itself in your 3D reality. So now you can start manifesting your dream life, a better future, a positive reality, an authentic, radiant you. And let me know, how it goes. If you want to align with me, please check out my links below. I love you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.